Hi, Doms. How are you, Doms? I lay down. I'm tired. I was with my, I went to catch the bus twice and send money to my sister so she can have money to buy a ticket going back to Manila. She went home from my hometown to the from Manila to my hometown in Bisaya to attend my brother's funeral service. Now she doesn't have money to going back, so I send money. So I'm tired because when I come back, I was cooking. So, and how are you doing, Doms? I got my recipe. I got my recipe. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Nakita ni mukha nito eh. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Okay, sleepy, sleepy. Good, good. We are having a good time meeting my social worker. I have a good time. I have he is helping me with a place to rent. So, because right now I'm living with my cousin, so I really don't have my own